welcome or welcome back to the vlog. This vlog is really special to me, and stay until the end for a surprise. June was so full of fun memories, amazing adventures and experiences with friends and family. My friend Amber and I did a little girls trip and we saw Julia Wolf live. We both took the days off work so we could spend it shopping in Toronto and doing fun things like going to Blush, going to Black Market, which is the most iconic vintage store in Toronto. We did a lot of shopping before we saw Julia Wolf. We also ordered dinner to the room. We ended up getting a really cute, clean, and beautiful Airbnb, which was so nice and comforting to know that we didn't have to drive all the way back home, or we didn't have to worry about getting home. We could really just let loose, have fun, have the time of our lives, and enjoy the concert because it honestly ended really late. So like I said, the Airbnb was a great idea. Here it is. Again, it was so gorgeous, so clean, tidy, beautiful. The view was stunning. We're up on the 33rd floor, so it gave me a little bit of the heebie-jeebies. You see me later and I'm on the balcony and I could hardly get close to the actual balcony because it was so scary and so high up. But like I said, we ordered food to the room from Uber and then we ended up going to the concert right after that. We were in a little bit of a rush, but we made it. We got pretty good. I was almost going to say seats, but we got general admission. And here's a little video we took before going to the event. Our makeup was really cute. Our outfits were really cute. And overall, this was one of the best concerts I went to because it was so like low key and intimate.
So boring. Yeah, you can see it. Laid on the street. I don't care who sees. I can't get. October will cure.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the vlog. It is June 19th. It is my birthday and I'm turning 29 today. I'm actually just at Starbucks because I got my pre-birthday drink. I ended up getting a venti iced matcha latte with vanilla cold foam, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and low ice. Looks like this. Let's do a taste test. I already did a little bit of a taste test, but I got mostly foam, so I shook it up a little bit. I've never tried the vanilla cold foam. I've always had the lavender cream foam, and that's really good. I did get with oat milk as well. I forgot to ask for the oat milk when I actually ordered it, and then I remembered as they were like, oh, do you want this or that? And I was like, did I ask for oat milk? And they were like, no. And I was like, please make it that if you can. And they wrote happy birthday on my drink, which is so nice. Love that. So yeah, I'm on my way. I was gonna go shopping, but I spent a lot of money in Toronto. We went to go see Julia Wolf, hence the t-shirt that I'm wearing. It was amazing. We saw Ellis, I think the band's name is Ellis. And then we saw Worry Club, and then Julia Wolf came out as the headliner. Amazing. We got to meet Ellis as well as Worry Club after, and that was really cool. We had an amazing mini girls trip. And yeah, now that I'm home, I'm just gonna relax. I vacuumed this morning. So interesting, I know, so exhilarating. And I also took a shower because I felt dirty and gross and sweaty, and it's pouring rain right now, so I'm gonna drive home. I also have to pick up Elsa's medicine at the vet, so after that I'll go home and probably just like chill. Steve said that he's wrapping my birthday presents, so I'll get home and unwrap my birthday present from him, and then I think the rest of the day I just honestly want to be chill. We're going for dinner later, and I don't know, I had such an amazing time in Toronto, but all I really want to do is have a bubble bath. I went to Lush with Amber as well, and I'm just so ready to relax the rest of the day and read a book because it's like so rainy and I just want to be all cozy, you know? Do you actually think it's vaping? Reading, lounging, swimming, napping, and dreaming. I'm super excited to read these. Oh my gosh. This is like the prequel, but I think she wrote it after. So I think the first one's this, but everybody says you can start with this one. It's just not like a series, it's the prequel, I guess. I could be wrong, but this is actually the first one. And then there's a tandem read. I think it's these two that they happen at the same time. I could be wrong though. The Wild Ones. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do some sparkly eyeshadow today because it's my birthday. Also, this camera angle is not it. Like 5 minutes, I'm just gonna throw in some eyeshadow. Oh gosh, what is happening? We're going out for dinner. Really excited. This dress is one that I wore to an event a few weeks ago, but I honestly just want to wear something like comfy because I'm really tired today. I think it's the weather. It's just made me really want to like be cozy, cuddle up, be chill. So I'm just gonna wear this and like a little light sweater on top. This dress I got at Winners a few weeks ago, and like I said, I wore it to an event. It's really comfy. It has pockets in it. It's like a maxi skirt at the bottom, so the length is almost full length. It's down to my ankles, which is really nice. I don't have to worry about the wind, and it's also really windy. And like I said, I'm just gonna do some sparkly eyeshadow. It kind of matches my nails as well. Yes, I've been chewing my nails, so I need to redo them. I'm using this Urban Decay Glimmery eyeshadow, which is so pretty. Are you kidding? Look at how pretty that purple shimmer is. This is a perfect kind of thing for birthday makeup, this shimmery, purpley color. I love it. I might even just do this. Like, it's kind of cute without mascara because it makes it pop a bit more. But we both know I'm going to do mascara because I always do mascara. And like I said, we're just going to be really chill tonight. All I want to do is come back home and have a nice relaxing bubble bath and read my books. So that is what we're doing today / tonight. I'm not even gonna bother with like concealer or anything, even though I have all these blemishes. Whatever. Just a little bit of waterproof mascara because like I said, it is raining today. My hair looks really dark when I wear black. It just like brings it out, you know? I just spent the last like hour painting / watching Handmaid's Tale, so that was fun and chill. I enjoyed that. But now we are going out for dinner to celebrate, and I'm gonna get a margarita. I'm really excited for that. It will be really fun. There we go. I messed up a bit there, but that's fine. That is the final look. That is it. I'm ready to go. We went to one of my favorite restaurants for dinner. I got this like pasta, bake, eggplant, parmesan, and garlic bread. It was so good. Then I had a nice, luxurious, relaxing bubble bath with this cute little bath bomb that I got a few vlogs ago. It smelled so good, and the water looked so pretty. I honestly felt like I was in the ocean. It was a little bit scary. I thought there was gonna be a shark popping up. Just kidding, I'm not that naive. But honestly, did anybody else get really afraid swimming at night in their pool or in their friend's pool or whatever, thinking that a shark was gonna come up? Because I did. But anyways, my mommy got a new microwave for us, so I unpacked it, unboxed it. It works great. I love it. We're definitely in need of a new microwave, so thank you so much, Mom. But they're so pretty. Yeah. Holy, that's how you know it's hot out, right? Hi guys, today it is Monday, June, what day is it even? 23rd, Monday, June 23rd, and I didn't really vlog so much on the weekend just because we were doing a lot of like house stuff. We were restaining the deck and staining the deck and doing some more, again, house stuff, but we did go shopping at Winners yesterday and it is a scorcher today. It is so hot. There's actually a heat wave going on right now, so I definitely want to go to the beach before I head into work tonight because we have auditions tonight at the dance studio. So I want to go down to the beach, get some sunshine in. I got a few new bikinis at Winners. I thought I'd show you. I definitely need to wash the bottoms. The top I'm not too concerned about because like if people tried it on, whatever, but I'm definitely going to wash bottoms before I wear them. So I won't be wearing a matching set today at the beach, but I got these bikinis and I thought they were really cute. This one's like super colorful and I just loved this on the back as well as the beads. But I also wanted to get something a little bit more simple, but honestly, Winners didn't have that many, places in general don't have simple bikinis anymore. I just want a simple like black bikini, all I want. So when I was looking at Winners, I was like, perfect, a black bikini. I pull it open. It's got like a giant rose like that big on the side of it. And I was like, okay, this is not what I wanted. But bottoms are really cute with this one too. It has a little bit more coverage than the other ones. This one actually was probably the most amount of coverage. Kind of crazy to me because that to me is that's not a lot of coverage, but whatever. Like I said, I'm gonna wash these first. Another bikini that I got. Okay, this one I almost didn't get because I was like, there's no way that I could wear this comfortably. Like that's the back. And this is the front. I do kind of like how it's a little bit more scrunchy. I see these online and they're really cute. I like the scrunchiness and the like, you can tell the material is really nice quality, but the material is also kind of like this weird like pattern. And I really liked this one, but the back, I almost didn't get this bikini because of the back not being as covered. But as I was holding it up, I was like, dang, I really need to cover up. Like I need something that covers me more and I feel more secure in. And then this lady kind of gave me a pep talk and was like, if you got it, flaunt it. And you definitely have it. And she was just like, she made my day. She was really cute. So I was like, you know what? You're right, ma'am. So I'm going to get it. So I got it. And then I got this top as well. I thought this was kind of a different top than I have in terms of bikinis. Most of the tops that I have are more similar to the first one, but just less pattern. But I really like the pattern of this one. There's just something like summery about it. There's something, I don't know, just very pretty. It reminds me of like tiles, I don't know, or like something Italian or Spanish, or I don't know, something just very summery and coastal. So I wanted to get that pattern, and Steve also liked the pattern on that one. So I went with that in the end of the day. But I'm not even gonna put on makeup right now because I'm going to the beach, but I do want to do a quick like point class or ballet class. It's like 35 degrees out right now. So I'm not gonna throw on face because it's so hot out, and I'm going to the beach after, and I'm probably gonna wash away my makeup if I go to the beach with makeup on. So I'm just gonna throw my hair up in a ponytail, throw on like a leotard and a pair of shorts or something, because again, it's so hot. Maybe throw on my point shoes, do a little bit of ballet. I was going to do some this morning, but here now. I'm gonna do it this afternoon and then head to the beach and then go into work, and I'll catch you guys. Then I had to make up like a little combo for the audition, and I did it to Let's Get Loud by J-Lo because it was like age appropriate, didn't say any swear words or anything inappropriate, so I used that song. But yeah, I was gonna do my makeup, but then thinking about it, I was like, that's not a great decision if I'm going to the beach. Also, my ballet shoes are MIA. I have no idea where they went. So today definitely has to be a point class. Leo, should I wear? I also reorganized the closet, which is great because it was very, very messy. I might wear this white Leo I haven't worn in a very long time. It's got like mesh, so it's very breathable. And maybe I'll wear one of my skirts. I also reorganized this part of the closet so it feels much more manageable. I think this is the look. Let's try this out, just like a white Leo and beige skirt. I do like this leotard, but I never wear it because, I don't know, it's just very like, there's so much mesh. There's actually not that much coverage. So yeah, I never wear this leotard that often because of that. And also like, white shows the sweat so much. I tend to stay away from light leotards as well, especially if I'm wearing like a light skirt. And no tights. There's no way I'm wearing tights today. Way too hot. Way too hot. I'm just gonna do like a quick point class because I do want to go to the beach and read my book, and I have to leave for work in like an hour, so I have to drive down. It'll just take me a couple extra minutes and get changed, throw on some sunscreen, probably just like chill at the beach for half an hour and then have to come back home. Hey guys, I'm at the beach and it's just me, which is so nice. I'm going to read my book, and until I get really hot, I'll just stay reading my book, and I'm already getting really hot. Stay out here until I get too sweaty and hot and I have to jump in the water. But look at how gorgeous the view is. Again, I'm all alone, which is so nice. Like, this is so nice. I'm actually not that far along in fourth wing as I had hoped to be because I've been so busy. Oh my gosh, a bird. I've been so busy with school. I need to catch up on my reading because I really like this book so far. I kind of got through, rude truck. I kind of got through to the part that I needed to. I'm so happy. Me, my book, and the beach. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I think it's June 24th. And like I said, it's Tuesday. Last night was Monday. I went to work, did the audition, did a cute little combo, slept in a lot today. I slept until like 9, which I needed because I was so tired. I hadn't been teaching like that in a long time. So to have like a full, almost full night of teaching, but at least like teaching in person, doing everything full out, really wiped me out. So I really need to sleep in. It's also so hot today. I don't know why I'm wearing flannel pajamas, but we're here now. But it's so hot. It feels like it's like 40 degrees. My skin feels like it's melting off. It's so hot. That being said, I'm just gonna fold some laundry, put it away, probably clean up a little bit, but I should also redo my essay. Not redo it, but just like review some things. We're supposed to get our feedback from our drafts tomorrow for school. So I definitely want to look at my essay and dedicate some time to school, because I haven't dedicated time towards my schooling since Friday, and it's now Tuesday, and it's due around this time next week. So I definitely want to make sure that like I just don't feel stressed, that at least I have something to hand in if for whatever reason I can't work on it for the rest of the week, because even though I still have time off, I'm still pretty busy with some things, setting up for leaving. So like I said, I'm going to fold this laundry. I'm gonna watch the Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders documentary on Netflix. I love that show. It's so much fun to watch. I just love seeing their journey and how hard these girls work, and it makes me want to dance again. Like, it's just so fun. I mean, there's obviously like heavy subjects and important subjects in the show, but I really, really like the show. So I'm gonna watch that while I fold some laundry, and then I'm not gonna dance today, but I am going to do a workout. I'm going to do some yoga tonight after dance. I do go in to teach tonight, but only for an hour. Hot yoga after in this heat, I know. And then tomorrow I have a friend coming over. So if you follow me on IG, you already heard and saw probably, but we went for brunch June 28th, and guys, something happened. I am now an engaged woman. So on that note, I will close out the vlog on this really happy and exciting news.
So sparkly. Oh my god, so pretty.
Let me know if you want a story time, or if you want me to, I don't know, start posting like wedding stuff. I don't know. It's really exciting. It's just all such a shock. It literally happened less than 24 hours ago, so I'm still in shock. I'm very, very happy, very grateful. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love, 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 love content creation and hanging out with you guys. So have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.